This is my home stove. I just lit it. I'm going to start the timer here. There's 1 cup of water and turn it on high, and we'll see how long that takes to boil. Okay, so it's now becoming to the boiling point. I think I would call this boiling, so it's about, let's just call it 3 minutes. It just started. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to light the Hillrange Alcohol Stove. First thing we do is got to check the alcohol tank. So go outside here. Apologize for the I'm going to have to do this with one hand. It's got about 6 pounds in it. If we want to increase the pressure, we'll remove the bike valve here. I'll put my little hand pump, again trying to do this with one hand, on the valve. Okay. Again, I'll do this with one hand. So I might have to do this with 2 hands. Apologize. There we go. Put this with shaky video. Okay, I'm pumping it up now. You might be able to see the gauge increase a little bit. Okay. It's about 9 pounds, should be enough. Take this off. Back. Don't forget to close the bike valve. Alright, so here I have a little shut-off valve for the alcohol tank. Here's my filler valve, so when I run out, I just pour some more right in here. Close this up, pump it up back to 8 or 9 pounds, should be good to go. So this is my valve here. If I want to close it, I can, or open it. So if I'm not using it, I'll leave it closed. If I'm going to use the stove, I have to leave it open. So if I go on a trip, I'll just leave it open for that weekend. So, alright, so back to the... Okay, now I'll show you how to light the stove. So first thing we do is, alcohol is not a gas yet until we get it hot enough, until it vaporizes. So this little burner here won't light up until it's hot. Okay, but below it there's a little pan down there that liquid alcohol will drip into when you first open the valve here. So if I open it up, 1, 2, and close it back up, okay, you might have heard that little noise. It let a little bit of alcohol down there. Now I'll take my barbecue lighter and I'll light it. You might see a tiny little flame down there, right? Okay, and now what you do is you put your pan over it and you wait a couple minutes until the burner gets hot. Once it's hot enough, then you can open up the valve. So for now, we're gonna wait, and I'll come back to it. Okay, we're back, and this is the part that most people get frustrated with because you have to wait for the burner to get hot for the burner to light. So we've been waiting here for about 2 or 3 minutes with that liquid alcohol just kind of burning there in the bottom. I put my pan over it to make sure that, you know, I can walk away from it and nothing catches on fire. And this is also the part where some people make a mistake of putting too much alcohol down there and you get what's called a flare-up, okay? So what I'm going to do now is show you that it's hot enough after 2 or 3 minutes to light the burner. So I'll just open the burner now, like normal, and you can see that it's got a normal burner flame. Okay, so now I'll open it up to a good amount here. Start my, there's my last time it took to boil water at home. We'll start my clock. Now it has been heated up slightly because we pre-lit the burner down there, but it wasn't enough to actually boil the water, just get the burner hot. So it's got a little bit of head start. So we'll find out how long it takes to actually boil this on the boat versus home. It's about a cup of water, same amount that we had at home. Okay, we're back. It's been about 2.5 minutes and we're pretty much boiling. So I can show you that based on, once it's lit, it really doesn't take any less time. I seem to be a little quicker. Maybe I'm a little hotter than I was at home. Surprising, but there you go. Okay. But here's the nice thing. Once the burner's hot, now I want to go and cook pancakes. You know, a few minutes later, you know, I've closed all the valves. Okay. As long as the burner's hot, looks like there's still a little bit of liquid down there. It's really easy to light again because it's already, there you go. It's already hot, so the alcohol will vaporize instantly. So we can go on moving, cooking pancakes. There you go. Okay, that is lighting the alcohol stove, the Hillrange, and hope you enjoyed that.